Okay, now we're going to find an arithmetic series. So what we need to do to find the arithmetic series uh, is add all the terms in an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so you could add, the first 15 terms together, the first 20 terms, it really doesn't matter. So an arithmetic series is formed when you add all of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. Okay, the formula for adding the terms of an arithmetic sequence is S sub n, and n is the number of terms you want to add, equals n times a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. So that n again is going to be the number of terms you want to add. So let's say you want to add the first 20 terms, you would put 20 there, and we would have to find the 20th term, and then we would add that to our a sub 1 as our first term. Okay, divide that by 2 and then multiply it by n. So our first example is find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence as follows here. Okay, we already did this one in the last video, but I'll just review how we'll do that. So the first thing we want to do is find our d, and our d can be found by looking at the terms. We can see that we are subtracting 4 here to each d, or to each term. So our d equals -4, and our a sub 1, our first term, is 33. Okay, so we're just figuring out our rule so we can find the 15th term in this sequence. Okay, so we have a sub n equals 33 plus n minus 1 times -4. Okay, we distribute the -4 to the n minus 1 there, so we have 33 plus a -4n plus 4. Okay, and this is going to be our rule. So we have 37 minus 4n. That's our rule, so we can find any term that we want. Okay, in this case we want to find the 15th term because we need to know what the 15th term is for to use in our formula. So our 15th term is going to be 37 minus 4 times 15. (37 minus 4 times 15). Okay, if you multiply that out, you're going to get 37 minus 60, and our 15th term is going to be -23. So we'll just put that here. Now we're going to use our formula back up here to find the sum of the first 15 terms in this sequence. So we're finding the S. S is sum of the first 15 terms. Okay, the n is the number of terms, so we have 15 terms in the sequence, times our first term is 33, plus our next term is -2. Okay, that's our 15th term. And then we're going to put all of that over 2. Okay. I'm sorry, I put -2. I should have put -23 there, so let me fix that. This should be -23, and we should have 23 there. So always want to go back and double check your work. Okay, so now we have 33 plus negative 23. Remember, we want to start with anything in parentheses if we're following the order of operations. So we have 15 times 33 plus negative 23 is 10 over 2. Okay, and then we're going to get 15 times 5. And I'm running out of room. I'm going to just make a small adjustment here if I can. Okay, and if we multiply 15 and 5, we will get 75. So our 15th term is going to be, or I'm sorry, our sum of all the 15 terms is going to be 75. So that would mean if we added all these up all the way out to the 15th term, we would get 75. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.